I'm as anxious as anybody to get things open as quickly as we can, and I'm concerned about the people who are not working and the small businesses, but we want to do it in a safe way because we can't have an overload of our healthcare system.
Well, we are still not at the peak in Maryland. The latest update from Governor Hogan on the fight against coronavirus. Hello, everyone. I'm Nicole Baker. Governor Hogan will unveil his Maryland Strong Roadmap to Recovery on Friday. Meantime, WJZ is live with extensive coverage today. We begin with Avajoy Burnett live from the Field Hospital, now at the Convention Center downtown with the latest developments there. Avajoy.
Well, Nicole, we're actually at the health department, and we're going to start out with the details that came in from Prince George's County. The governor said there's a hospital there in Laurel, the Laurel Medical Center, that reopened up, and they will have 135 beds to help care for people who've been impacted by the coronavirus. Also, as you mentioned, the convention center, they will be opening up. The governor said they're now fully staffed and ready to go. Governor Larry Hogan addressed Maryland's increasing number of coronavirus cases from a Prince George's County hospital.
Here we are today at the newly launched Laurel Medical Center. This renovated and reconfigured facility will now provide an additional 135 beds, including 35 intensive care beds, to treat patients infected with COVID-19.
To date, nearly 14,800 people have tested positive. 631 folks have died. Prince George's County, where 60% of the population is African American, has the most cases. Black people also account for the highest number of confirmed cases and deaths across the state.
But we have lost here 152 souls to the coronavirus. We also have 3,868 confirmed cases of the coronavirus here in Prince George's County.
Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, and the city round out the top 5 jurisdictions with the most cases of the virus. And the 21215 zip code remains a hot spot. There are 282 cases there. On a conference call from the Pentagon, Army Colonel Eric Alali, who's also surgeon with the Maryland National Guard, said thousands of soldiers and airmen will be here till the end, helping at key locations such as nursing homes and at testing sites.
The Rawlings Conservatory, the Maryland State Fairgrounds, and 4 vehicle admission centers. These are drive-through and walk-up centers where we're conducting both analysis and screening as well as some of the testing for COVID-19.
This weekend, the Field Hospital at the Convention Center will open up to bring some relief to hospitals. And earlier this week, the state started to break down the types of beds that are being used to help care for patients who've been impacted by the coronavirus. 1,400 beds here in the state are either for acute patients or patients who are in the ICU. And then the governor also announced that on Friday, he will be breaking down what he calls his roadmap to recovery for the state. Live at the health department, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.